All right, everybody. Dave from Sell House Columbus. I'm here with Liza. We are closing on Liza's house today. And Liza, when did you first contact us? This happened pretty quick, right?
Yeah, it was just last weekend. I think last Sunday we talked.
So it took about a week, and we're here at the closing table, cash purchase as is.
Mm-hmm.
And how did you find us originally?
I actually did ChatGPT.
ChatGPT, everybody. So
Yeah.
we're all over the internet. You can find us on Google, YouTube, ChatGPT. I'm happy we're showing up there. And what was your experience like this entire time? This is a pretty big deal for you.
Yeah.
It's a pretty big closing
I've
for
been
you.
there for 24 years, so.
Been there for 24 years, so you wanted to make sure you're working with like a reputable company, right?
Yeah.
So what was your experience like working with me and working with us?
It was great. How quick everything went, and literally like signing the agreement Sunday, and then here we are like a week and a half later closing, and it's been smooth sailing. So.
You were a little bit nervous.
I was a little nervous because it's just a big thing.
It is a big thing. You feel a lot better now, right?
Oh yeah.
You happy to be moving on and getting this thing done?
Yes.
Absolutely.
So.
So what would you say to somebody else who wants to sell their house fast, easy, and move forward and get it done?
I say to go with you guys because you made it simple. Like it was, talk on the phone, sign the agreement, went through, made sure everything was good with the deed and title and everything, and good to go.
We did the agreement right over the phone, and it was all easy and everything,
just
right?
their email and sign here and all that stuff. So, yeah.
And we're here at the title company today doing the closing, but I'm here to let you know if you don't want to come to the title company, they'll come to you. We really do strive to make it super easy. So Liza, glad we can get this done.
Yeah.
And if you have a house you want to sell fast, easy, and conveniently for a fair price, give us a call, 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I'm Dave, this is Liza, and we'll see you on the next video.